Hello everyone, I wanted to show a POC I've been doing with Tekton on, on a project I call Armada, which is a way to be able to send pipeline runs to multiple clusters by different configurations. So the idea is kind of simple, is that you have a job which is containing a pipeline run, secret config map, or potentially volumes, but that's not implemented in this POC yet, where you send the job as a client. There's a server, so it's not really a server, but it's like the central place from where we send the job from, and we have clients which works as a pool model. So the clients are listening to events. It's actually server-side events, so it's pretty quick. And creating those pipeline and those configurations according to some tags. So currently I'm using tags. I mean, there's going to be different ways to do that properly, different configurations, like the way the Kubernetes scheduler, for example, works. But currently we just say tag. So let me do a quick demo and see if it works. So I am going to go to my terminal. So that's my terminal. So what do I have here? So I have a server which I'm going to start. That server is serving for jobs, it's listening for jobs, and is going to provide the jobs to the other clients. So I have two clients. One's connected to a cluster called Pack, and one connected to a cluster called Kind. So one is on OpenShift and one is on Kind. And the client says, like, I want to listen to all the jobs that's coming through, like which has the tag Kind, and this one's like has the tag OpenShift. So I'm going to start him, and yeah, so I have my configuration done. So now I want like to send a job, and I'm going to look at all the logs look like. So let me open the right file. So currently it's simple. It says like the job that I want to run on those tags on OpenShift and Kind, and that's the YAML. So the YAML is a base 64 thing, so makes it easier to encode in a YAML. But yeah, so if you look at the actual pipeline run that I want to send over, it's a pipeline and a pipeline run. So one is like a normal pipeline which has a git clone task and build a task that's like sending the image, building the image and sending the image. So basically we're trying to demonstrate like the idea would be like to have multi-architecture clusters, and you deploy and you build like on different clusters. So it's just building, and now we have the pipeline run, so it would apply both of it. So currently only the pipeline is supported, but as I said, you would be able to send a config map or secrets, and in the future I have some idea about how to send data as well, how to send volumes. But yeah, let me do the demo first before I talk too much. So I am going to use curl. The curl command is going to say I want to post that JSON to the job server. So that's the server here. So let me just do that and see if it works hopefully. So it sends the jobs automatically, like it picks up the job, and here, like I'm going to that you can pack on the Kind cluster on this cluster. You'll see the things like I already started. This one is taking a little bit more time, and yeah, it was created on both clusters automatically, and you can see it's building and it's actually doing some yum installing there, blah blah blah, and it's going to copy the blobs. Here's like it's running on Kind, so there's no image registry for Kind, but on OpenShift there is an image registry obviously, so it's going to work. So one is failed, but that's expected. So yeah, that's the idea, and I think there is more room to make it more to actually make it more pluggable kind of things, like and not having like to do only on Tekton. It could be like really any type really. It's really a simple model. One advantage of that pool model, which works on server-side events, is that it can work from any kind of any kind of architecture. So that means like from a laptop, if you have like a local client on a laptop and a server on another laptop, anyone can pick up the jobs as long as we define the tags and properly. So that's it. The code works, and I'm going to upload it somewhere. The project is called Armada, for lack of better name. And yeah, let me know what do you think.